In RealityPlan, you can now start defining assets that visually match your space. Here, I'm adding bounding boxes to highlight a specific asset I want to create in the application. You can create multiple boxes, easily adjusting them and navigating around the asset using the turntable at the bottom. I can adjust the right side that is not fully captured, and I can go in the back quickly to adjust the settings to make sure I'm capturing every element of that specific asset. Coming back to the front, I'm going to bring in another box to complete the asset definition of the specific piece in my scan. I'm creating an asset that can become usable across the system for either doing design layouts or documenting my site and documenting specific information onto this asset. I can click on it, select the asset as it's been defined in a few seconds. Stay tuned for our next videos where we'll showcase our advanced asset definition workflow and help you connect your enterprise data.